Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Christina. Today we have a Temu Haul. This is actually part 3 of 3. So let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, the first thing I want to share with you are these little binder pockets. You saw in the other haul, the part 1 or 2, actually I think part 1 I hauled some other ones, but I saw these, I want to try them out. These are just plastic, little divider, almost like divider pockets, so you could put stuff in there. I got this, I could put ephemera or even dies. We'll see what I use that for. But this one you get 3 different pieces. So I got those, and this fits your binders. I got that one. Next thing I hauled is this yarn. In my previous haul, I believe in haul 2, Temu part 2, I hauled some other colors. I also got the white and I got the iridescent shine. And you do get quite a bit in here. Look at that. Love this. It's actually what I use to put behind my little ephemera and embellishments. I add a little bling to embellishments. And then I also have this in yellow. It's really nice. And like I said, it is iridescent. These are kind of expensive. I think they were like $8. On Temu, regular price is almost 10, but you do get a lot for it. And I do like this because I had bought a pink one first. I got that. And then I also got it in the mint. So pretty. Love that. I love the shine. I love shiny things. Okay, the next thing, I found these on Temu. I thought these were super pretty. They're actually fall leaves and they're in different colors. Now these are actually really nice. It has a hole, so let me go ahead and open some of them. And they're pretty, they're really thick. So you get them in blues, purples, reddish, orange, you get different colors. And they do have like a, I want to say almost like a, well, they're actually solid colors, but some of them are ombre. Look at that. So pretty. And I got this for fall crafting, even for Halloween. This one, you get 50 pieces. Yeah, 50 pieces. So that's actually really nice. I like this. Oh, and look at the thickness. So they do have a hole and they are kind of thick. Super nice. Love it. So I got some of those for my fall crafting. Another thing I hauled is this they're already bead wrap. I got this to add into dangles. I like how it comes in this little plastic. And they're like seed beads that are already in dangles. They're already wire wrapped. So cute. So I got this to add for beading. I could add other beads, other dangles to that. But I got those, and they're all pastel colors. And this one you get about, let me see. This one does not say, but I will link all the links in the description below. And then the next thing I hauled are these. They're beads with some crowns, but you turn them into crystal balls. And I got that for Halloween crafting. I thought this would be super cool idea to do. So all you do, these are regular beads, and you find your hole, and then what you do is you're gonna glue it, either crazy glue or E600 or whatever glue that you use that can hold it, and then it creates that. So cute. And this shop had this color, but I also seen some other colors. And you get 25 crystal balls. So you get enough to make 25? 10. No, actually you get 10. Oh, you get 10 bases and 10 crystal balls, my bad. So yeah, you get 10 pairs. So you could create that. So I got some of those. Love those. Another thing I hauled are these iridescent bones, and this is a mixed color. I know you can find them as single color, but I got this because of the mix. Look at that. Look at that shine. I love the shine. And they do fit on beadable pins because the hole is actually pretty big. So I got those. And this shop, I think it had other colors that you get, and you get 50 in here. Those in there. Wait till you see these. Now I had to put them in a new package because they've ripped before. But check these out. Red, white, and blue duckies, and you can easily turn these into a charm. If you really wanted it, you could actually turn it into bead. You just need a little electric drill. Look at that. So you get your little pink, your blue with the stars. Your white one has red and blue stars, and your red has white stars. Blue has white stars. Real nice. Love that. And you get a bunch in there. Love it. Look at all that. Love the duckies. If you love duckies, actually, the hidden word is going to be ducks. Alright? So, if you know, you know. Ducks. Next thing I hauled is a washi tape. And this is a Halloween theme washi. Look at that. So it's basically that one, and it's on purple. But look at that. And you get a good amount, so it's not super small, not super thin. Love that. That's a Halloween washi. And then I saw this tool. And it does got a lot of sequins on it. But look at that. How gorgeous is this? Look at all the bling bling bling. So nice. Love that. That'd be nice for crafting. Some of the stuff did come off. And then the last thing I hauled is I bought some bows. And I love adding this to embellishment. All you do is remove this, and it's super easy to remove because it's just hidden. It's just held by glue. But look at that. So I got it in red. And I also hauled these before, the flowers. So I got the red. Got two of the reds. And this shop has different ones. And then look at that. You get two grays. Love, love, love. Super pretty. It's the pink, and look at all the little rhinestones on there. And the pinks. The white. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. And this is almost, this is out of light, so that's a purple, and this is more of the pink. Because I can't tell the lighting in here. Real nice. So that is all for my small part 3 Temu haul. Make sure you comment below, like the video so I know that you liked it. Hit the notification so you don't miss a new video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.